Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Euronext Exchange Review My Usage Experience. Euronext Exchange Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for analyzing and reviewing the performance of stocks and other financial instruments traded on the Euronext exchange. It's primarily aimed at investors and traders who want in-depth data and analysis tools to inform their investment decisions. Key features likely include historical data visualization, charting tools, and potentially some level of predictive analytics. Their website provides details on specific features and subscription options. Their website details various subscription tiers, offering varying levels of access to data and analytical tools. They emphasize real-time data feeds and robust charting capabilities. Pricing is transparent, with clearly stated monthly or annual costs. There are no hidden fees, and no contracts are required. The service uses a sophisticated data aggregation and processing system, though the specifics aren't detailed on the front page. Availability is limited to online access. You can check their site to determine if they support your region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Euronext Exchange Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. Signing up took less than 5 minutes, and I was able to access the platform immediately after confirming my email. Navigating the interface was intuitive, even for someone not overly familiar with financial data visualization tools. I spent a lot of time using the charting features, specifically exploring different indicators and timeframes for analyzing the price action of several stocks I'm interested in. The performance was excellent, data loaded quickly, and the charts rendered smoothly. I was really impressed by how customizable the charts were. I had a quick question about a specific data point, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the ability to compare the performance of multiple stocks simultaneously. One minor drawback was the lack of mobile app access. Everything had to be done from a desktop or laptop. It took me a little while to get used to all the advanced settings within the charting tools, but once I did, it became incredibly powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Euronext Exchange Review. It's a comprehensive and powerful tool that has significantly improved my investment research process. That's my overview of Euronext Exchange Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.